So let's go for this exercise 5.2. Rest you can do, like I have taken each some terms like basic ones, so that you can find complex one. You people are like, you don't want the whole exercise, right? So sixth question, check whether the minus 150 is the term of the AP. So let's write down the AP. Given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So A of n is equal to minus 150. Here A is given as 11 and common difference is 8 minus 11 is minus 3. So we must find n. You all know the formula is minus 150 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 minus 3. 9 minus 139 divided by 3 equal to n minus 1. So here 3 4s are 12 and 19 is remaining. 19 is remaining, right? So this minus 139 cannot be divided by 3. Therefore, we are getting in a decimal form. So therefore, minus 150 is not the term of the given AP. Fine. So next question. So here let's learn what's given term. We must find the 31st term. So 831 is equal to 0 and we don't know, question mark, and A11 whose 11th term is 38 and A16th term is 73. So same way, what is the formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So for this, A plus 10D is equal to 38. For this, A plus 15D is equal to 73. So this is our first equation, this is our second equation. A plus 15D is equal to 73. A plus 10D is equal to 38. Subtract, this can cancel, 5D, 5, 35. So our D is 7. Fine. Substituting D value in first equation, A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. So A is equal to 38 minus 70. Fine. So 35 minus 3 is 32. So A is our 32. Therefore, given AP required is 32, 7 is 39, 46 and so on. Therefore, A 31st is equal to A plus 30D. What's our A? 32 plus D is 7. So 30 into 7. 32 plus 210, which is equal to 242. Fine. Done. 8th question. An AP consists of 50 terms in which third term is 12 and last term is 106. So in this question, n is equal to 50. Fine, 50 terms are there, so in number of terms is 50. third term, so a3 is 12, and the last term, so a of n is 106. Find the 29th term. So using this, find out what's the first term and the common difference, then write down the AP required, then find out what's A29th term. Okay, fine. See, now if the third term and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 1, which term of the AP is 0? Same way. For this, A third term is 4 and A of 9 is minus 8. So when is A of n 0? Using this to A plus 2d is equal to 4 and A plus 8d is equal to minus 8. Using these two in the form of pair of preliminary equations, find A and D, then write down the AP, then find the 0th term. For this, an is 0, so 0 is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Now we are finding a and d, right? You should find n in this. Now for what value of n are nth term of two APs equal? So this AP1 is 63, 65, 67, and AP2 is 3, 10, 17. In this both equation, an is common, right? Because the nth term, the value of the nth term, where two of the APs has the same, like n value is same. Okay, you should find n. In this both the case, n is same and a of n is not same. So here a is 63, common difference is 2, and here a is 3 and common difference is 7. Fine. In both the cases, n is same. So for this, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the main formula. So a n is equal to 63 is 63 plus n minus 1, d is 2, and here an is equal to 3 plus n minus 1, or d is 7. This both are equal, so 63 plus n minus 1 d is equal to 3 plus n minus 1, 7. Here d is 2. So for this, send 3 this side, so it will become 60, and this send 2 n minus 1 this side, so it will become 5 n minus 1, right? So 60 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to plus 1 will keep. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So n is equal to 13. Therefore 13th term of both the APs are same, right? So here find the 28th term from the last of the AP. So here from the last, right, we'll write that common difference. D is 8 minus 3, which is 5. So from the last, so 253 will be our first number. So minus, here it's plus, so here it will be minus. Minus 5 is 248. And this common difference is for increasing order, like from first to nth term, right? And minus 5 is 243 and so on, 13, 8, 3. So find the 28th term from the last. Here a is 253, d is equal to minus 5, n is 20. We have to find a of 20th term. So a of n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So a20 is equal to 253 plus n is 20, 19, n minus 1 is 19 into d is minus 5. 250 plus 9 5 is 45, 4, 90, 95 minus. So it will be 250 minus 95. So it will be 200 minus 45, which is 155. Therefore 28th term from last is 155. We knew like if you wanted to use an in a series, then we are finding an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, right? Suppose there is a series like 1 3 5 7 9 so on. If you're like asking the sum of two terms, then it's 4. Sum of three terms, then it is 9. Then sum of 4 terms, then it is 9 plus 7 is 13, right? Suppose what if I ask sum of 99 terms? You can't keep on adding like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, right? So there is a simplified formula for this. So S of n is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, you have to remember both these formulas. Fine. This whole chapter is based on these two formulas. So suppose if I ask sum of 50th term, here our a is 1 and d is 2, 50th term, so n is 50. So will be like a is given, 2 is given. Okay, so here 50 divided by 2 is 25. 2a is like 2 because 1 is first term. N minus 1, 49 into 2. Fine. 25 into 2 plus 18, 2 by 100. This is 100. So this is a sum of 50 terms in this AP. Okay. Also, an exercise question. Find the sum of the following APs. Like write down the AP first. 2, 7, 12, etc. 10th term. So here A is 2, D is 5. To 10th terms. So N is 10. S of n is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So n is 10, right? So it will be 5. 2 into 2, 4 plus 9 into d is 5. So 5 into 9 5 is 45, 49. 9 5 is 45, 5, 4, 20, 24. 245 is an answer. Same way do for this. Do for this also, do for this also. Understand? So here given a, b, and here. So here we should find n. How will you find n? This is there, no? Take a. What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 d. Here an is 50 and a is 5 and d is 3, right? So 50 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 3. So 45 divided by 3 is n minus 1. So n is 16. So now you got a, you got d, you got n. So substitute formula s of n is equal to n minus 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. Fine. This is the way you have to do. And substitute the same way. Do for this, do for this, do for this, do for this, do for this. Here also find n and a and same thing. Understood? Everywhere they'll be missing any one term or two terms. Like you have to find it from this formula or this. These two formulas are the basic in this whole. Like only these two formulas are there in this whole chapter. Fine. That's all. Hope you understood. If you have any other doubts, or like I didn't do all of the sums, if you have any other questions like how to do this, how to do that, then just DM me or ask in the comment section.